आएगा। वेलकम द पाकिस्तानी फादर एंड सन
तो
रिएक्शन।
कैसे आप सब, मेरा नाम जान
मिलान
है
नदीम।
यार। आज हम रिएक्ट करने वाले हैं पाकिस्तानियों की इंग्लिश स्किल्स वर्सेस इंडियन लोगों के इंग्लिश स्किल्स पर।
अच्छा, दोनों के देखते हैं
यार देखो, मतलब वैसे तो एक दुनिया में बड़ी बात होती है कि इंडियन टॉप पर आते हैं तो पाकिस्तानी इंग्लिश बोलने में दूसरे तीसरे नंबर पे।
बिल्कुल।
तो वॉच करते हैं कि भाई आखिर कैसे पाकिस्तानी दूसरे तीसरे नंबर पर, कैसे इंडियन एक नंबर पर।
बिल्कुल।
तो वॉच करते हैं भाई, खड़ा करते स्टार्ट।
Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Rehman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Well, today's video I'm finally going out of my room and going to ask Pakistani people some random, quick, funny questions, but in English. That will be fun because their first language is not English. So let's see what their reactions and answers are. Let's get started. We have another person here with us. Let's ask them. So what's your name?
ओ भाई
Muhammad Bilal.
Muhammad Bilal, what do you do?
बहुत ही बंद हो जाती है।
I'm just doing a government job.
Government job in government sector. Okay. So what are you doing here right now?
I was just
एजुकेशन पता लगी
free and
हाँ,
I just wanted to spend time
ये
alone.
पाकिस्तानी।
He wanted to spend time alone. He's a lonely man. Okay, let's ask you some real quick questions. Can you see John Cena?
Yes.
भाई गवर्नमेंट जॉब।
How? I mean, you are not supposed to see him. He's John Cena. Can you see him?
No.
Okay, he just went with the flow. So my next question is a little bit deep one. What do you think about plastic bodies and plastic booties? Are they ruining our young generation right now, or is it just plastic bags which are doing the harm?
Yes, obviously.
देखा ही है।
It's ruining our society. It's
यार,
ruining
खाना तो नहीं
our
खा
young generation. Generation is not about generation. It's about population.
I got your point, I guess. What do you think about Donald Duck? Is he a good guy or bad guy?
Donald Duck is not a guy. It's a cartoonic characteristic.
Oh, he got me. You're right. And who you think make more sense, SpongeBob or Squidward?
I have an idea about it.
इंग्लिश ओके है।
No idea about it. Okay.
Same
What do you think about life? Is it meaningful or meaningless for you?
50-50.
50-50. Okay. Thank you so much. First one is, can you see John Cena with your naked eyes?
John Cena?
इसकी सही है भाई।
हाँ।
समझ
Naked
रहा है,
eyes?
बोल भी पा रहा है।
Can you see John Cena with, like generally, with your eyes?
I can. Why not?
Are you sure? Be confident in your answer.
I think in my cell phone I can see him.
Yeah. No one can see him because you can't see him.
Why?
You can't see him. Just it's a basic rule. Okay, so the next question is, what do you think about plastic bodies and plastic booties? Are they ruining our young generation, or is it just plastic bags which are doing the harm?
कुछ भी नहीं।
I think the plastic bags are not good for our environment because they take much
ये तो भाई साहब
time to
फेंक रही
get
आवाज़ में
disposed.
And plastic booties are okay.
Yes, they can be those things which can be disposable. That are not harmful that
मारा
much.
गया उसको नॉर्मल
Let's skip
सवाल
that
यार,
question.
ये पूछा।
My last question is, what do you think about Donald Duck?
ये है
Donald
प्लास्टिक।
Duck.
He's a good guy or bad guy?
Who is he? I don't know.
He's world famous.
Donald Duck. Yeah. I don't know him.
Ex-president of America.
He is Donald Trump.
देखें
Okay, so we have another person here with us. What's your name, sir?
Mr. Kamran.
Mr. Kamran, we have Mr. Kamran with us. I'm going to ask them some serious, deep question. Can you see John Cena?
Yes.
How?
Yes, John Cena.
But-
Wrestling WWE.
What?
Wrestling John Cena?
But can you see him in general with your naked eyes?
No.
सही नहीं।
Do you like Snoop Dogg?
हाँ।
Yes.
He likes Snoop Dogg. What does he do?
पैरी फट गया।
You have to answer that.
Small dog.
What do you like about Snoop Dogg?
But this is small dog. Very cute.
He's cute. Yeah, exactly. So, what do you think about plastic booties? They are ruining our generation. What do you think about it?
But I don't know booty. What booty?
No, you see, the plastic bodies.
Bodies.
Yeah, plastic booties everywhere. Is it ruining our young generation, or is it good? Or just plastic bags are the main reason of pollution and everything?
No, this is not good. Plastic bag is not good. But this reason is pollution too much.
Yeah, but plastic booties is good, right?
Yes.
What beauty.
Yeah. Okay, so thank you so much, man. What's your name?
Ayan.
Ayan, what are you doing here?
पड़ गया
नहीं
First year कर रहा हूँ.
कुछ भी नहीं है।
No, I mean, what are you doing here in the park?
अच्छा मैं पार्क के अंदर क्या पार्क के अंदर मैं फैमिली के साथ पिकनिक मनाने आया.
Can you answer them in English, like my questions?
अबे इनको अब मतलब नहीं
थोड़ी खराब सी है.
वो बोल क्या रहा है?
What do you mean by that? So my first question is, can you see John Cena?
जी देखा हुआ है.
No, I mean, can you see him?
नहीं.
No, you can't see him.
No.
Okay. Is Donald Duck a good guy or bad guy?
मैं बोल रहा हूँ
Donald Duck, good guy.
How?
भाई ना
Donald
इधर के
Duck.
बच्चों को
मेरा favorite cartoon है.
हमारी young
Oh, you get it. Okay. Who makes more sense, SpongeBob or Squidward?
SpongeBob.
SpongeBob make more sense.
Yeah.
How?
SpongeBob make your sense.
नहीं यार।
Okay, leave it. Okay, now I'm going to ask you the final and the most big question, that is plastic booties, like plastic bodies, are ruining our young generation, or is it just plastic bags which are doing all the harm?
Again. Plastic bags.
ना भाई ना
Plastic booties and all that stuff is good and fine, right?
Right.
You like them?
Yes.
So, are you going?
Yeah.
You will subscribe my channel, right?
पता ही है।
Okay.
ये क्या है
What is the name of your channel?
Hey everybody, it's Sheetal from Asian Boss. Did you know that English is a very widely spoken language in India? In fact, whenever we do the street interviews, viewers always wonder that why people are answering in English and not in Hindi. So what do Indians think about this? Are they actually aware of how their accent sounds? Let's hit the streets of Mumbai to find out. If you had to take a guess, what percentage of Indian population can speak fluent English?
Maybe 40% maybe.
If you go into any colleges or school, no one speaks Hindi at all. It's everything related to English itself. So I think that 70 to 80% might know English.
English is, I think, far more important than Hindi right now for Indians. So yeah, I think 40 to 45% around people speak fluent English.
I guess around 75% of Indian people can speak English fluently.
जिससे बोल पूछ रही है
Most of them are from South India because they are like they are much more educated than the people living in North India.
Level देख बजा।
That's my opinion, and I am myself a South Indian, so.
By the way, Indian English does have a particular accent. Do you agree with that?
Yeah, I think it does.
It's actually proper English. So it's not accent, it's proper English.
हमारा
Simple.
नहीं पड़ता है।
Yes, pretty much, but it has nothing any problem with Indian people as such because that is the way we talk.
So for you, it is normal, right? Your accent.
Yes, it's normal.
As an Indian person, were you aware that foreigners often make fun of the Indian English accent?
Yeah, it is actually like when I have not personally encountered the situation, but my like I have cousins who live in the US. They speak that US accent of English, but still they get judged. Like this person looks Indian, and people, I don't know why. It's basically racism, and it's just senseless to me, basically.
Yes, I was, but after I went to United States, I thought they spoke wrong English, so I made fun of their English. So it doesn't make any difference to me.
I think our accent is better than theirs because I think they are like not that good. It looks like they are spitting.
I think
sorry, not offensive. It looks like they are spitting, and I think our accent is better. Yeah.
भाई साहब
No.
इंडियन एक्सेंट बहुत अच्छा है
No.
इंग्लिश बोल रहे समझ आ रहा
I think
नहीं आती सब।
they need to learn English from us. It is like when we hear them, we find it funny.
ये वाकया
It's lame. I don't really care what they think. Like, I can speak English and I can make other people understand what I want to say. That's enough. I don't really care what they think.
Well, Indian characters like Apu from The Simpsons have perpetuated stereotype in Western culture that Indians sound funny when they speak English. How does that make you feel?
I don't know. I think it's if you watch it, I think it's funny at times, but then it really annoys you a little. You're stereotyping us a little too much. You're taking it a little too far. Like, we don't really sound like that at all times. But okay.
That is funny to you guys, to the foreigners, and it's not funny to anybody in India because that is the way we talk. So, and people understand. That's the main thing.
Sometimes I feel offended, but they exaggerated more, I think. We don't speak like that, firstly. But yeah, I feel offended sometimes. Very offended, to be honest. I mean, it's funny for some time and dude, no, we do not speak like that. Stop doing that.
Then to you, which English accent sounds funny or weird?
Oh, I think the way Russians speak, I mean the people, those who have their language as Russian or French,
Yes.
those are the weirdest English speaking people around. Seriously.
My brother has been in Australia and his accent is literally funny. For me, Australian accent is, I really don't understand any of it. Literally any of it. I just don't understand.
Not because of the accent, maybe because of the wrong grammatical use. I find Chinese English quite funny because they don't use the proper, grammatical things.
Chinese. I must say Chinese. So their language is different. That has
When they speak English.
Exactly. They even don't pronounce it very well. Their lips even don't open for that.
So why does everybody speak English as opposed to the native Indian languages?
In India, I guess speaking English is a trend, or maybe it is like show off or something.
I think if you know English, you have lots of friends, and you're cool. You're the cool guy.
I'll say parents. That's it, because they want the kids to speak English so that when they go to their school, they don't feel ashamed.
Is that how every child is taught from an early young age?
I cannot say about other childs, but my father, he insisted at my home I should speak my own native language, and he pays good fees for my school. So it's school's responsibility to teach me English. So I don't know how does everyone works, but that's how I was brought up.
Some people feel, not actually most of the people feel that when they are educated in English, they will have higher job opportunities, and then they dream about going to other countries for jobs, and that's the basic reason for them learning English. Otherwise, they would not even be interested in knowing the language.
If you speak fluent English, do people treat you better?
Yeah, in India, yes. I have seen that.
Yeah, I guess so, yeah. When you just come across someone, you have a sort of mindset towards them. As soon as they start speaking, your mindset changes. Like, okay, they can speak English, yeah, okay, they must be like cool, I guess.
And if you're talking before a girl, she's going to be impressed by you. That's the most important thing about talking English.
When you start talking in English, and especially when you're talking fluently, they give you much more respect than they usually give to other people who are talking in other languages.
Because English is becoming such a dominant language in Indian society, are you ever concerned that traditional Indian languages might disappear?
Yes, it is going on right now. I think even academically, today's generation is taught to speak in English and write English.
इधर हुई ये वीडियो खत्म यार. फर्क देख लिया आप लोगों ने,
जमीन आसमान.
हमारी नेशन की इंग्लिश में और भाई आप लोगों की नेशन की इंग्लिश में. हमारे सिर्फ यस नो यस नो यस नो, और आप लोगों का एक जो सवाल पूछा जाता है उस पे एक प्रॉपर इंग्लिश का जवाब आगे तैयार होता है उनके
हिंदी में. उन्हें किसी ने नहीं बोला, हमारा तो साथ उर्दू भी खींच रहे थे.
हाँ, और भाई साहब वो कहता है ये देखें ये ओ माय गॉड, देखें ये.
मैं जब अपने परिवार को वो बच्चा कहता है हम तो घूमने फिरने आ गए
भाई, वो इंग्लिश में पूछ रहा है, तू जो उर्दू में जवाब दे रहा है, शर्म तुझे नहीं आती है? तू स्कूल में नहीं पढ़ता? तेरे साथ की वो लड़की थी, वो कैसे जवाब दे रही?
बिल्कुल,
वो कैसे जवाब दे रही? हमारे लिए शर्म की बात है कि हमारे पाकिस्तान में एजुकेशन का नाम ही नहीं है. हमारा एक जो गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर रहा था उसकी इंग्लिश थोड़ी सी बेटर थी, क्योंकि उसने जो सवाल किया उसको वो बस जवाब दे रहा था. वो इतना भाई नेक्स्ट लेवल के जवाब नहीं दे रहा था इंग्लिश में,
बड़े सही था,
उसको जो आती थी उसने दे दी।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
लेकिन
और
भाई
सारे
इन इंडियन से देखो, जब उससे एक सवाल करती है वो आगे पूरा एक पैराग्राफ का आंसर है उनके पास, पूरी उनको प्रॉपर इंग्लिश आती है।
बिल्कुल यार, हर बंदा जवाब दे रहा है।
और जो इंडियन एक्सेंट की इंग्लिश है, मैं कहता हूँ इंग्लिश एक्सेंट की जो इंग्लिश है, खुदा की कसम उस जैसी एक्सेंट की इंग्लिश पूरी दुनिया में नहीं जिस तरह आप इंग्लिश बोलते हो। क्यों? क्यों गोरे बोलते हैं
वो समझ नहीं आती। ये इंडियन बोलते हैं, एक ग्रामर कहते हैं, बोलते हैं अल्फाज समझ आती है, अगला क्या बोल रहा है, अगले दिमाग में क्या माइंड में जा जाता है।
अब हम लोग फॉरेनर्स की काफी वीडियोस रिएक्ट करते हैं, इतना तेज कभी कभी बोल जाता है, हमें भी
नहीं समझ आती।
और देखो इधर इंडियन से एक एक बात बोली, हमें एक एक बात समझ
आती है ना, अगला क्या कह रहा है, अगर सुनने वाला हो तो।
वही ना,
हमारे कद्दू की तरह तो नहीं है, इनको आते ही नहीं है कुछ।
देखो ना, वो जब उससे पूछे गए वो कहता है तूने जॉन सीना को देखा है, या कहता तूने किधर से देखा है भाई साहब उसको। फिर भाई साहब उधर ये सिर्फ पाकिस्तानी यस नो
तक है बस,
इससे आगे की इनको इंग्लिश नहीं
आती। इधर आप फर्क अंदाजा लगा सकेंगे। और लोगों
में जब बच्चा था पाकिस्तानी, वो कहता आर यू गोइंग, कहता ये जब पूरे सवाल कर रहा था तब भाई साहब इंग्लिश नहीं याद आई,
आखिर जाते हुए ये चीज
यही भाई साहब बस यही जो गए हो तुम लोग। भाई साहब मैं कहता हूँ कि इंग्लिश में इंडियंस को कोई मात नहीं दे सकता।
वजह बात है क्या है, अंग्रेजों को भी सीखने की जरूरत है इंडियन से इंग्लिश।
कसम से ये बात बिल्कुल रियलिटी बेस्ड है। हमारे पाकिस्तानियों को तो भाई इंग्लिश के नाम पर घंटा ही
ये इन्होंने 78 सालों में नहीं सीखा था,
अभी क्या सीखेंगे? तो भाई आपके क्या थॉट है भाई साहब इस स्किल्स के बारे में, जो इंडियंस इतने हाई लेवल इंग्लिश बोलते हैं? आप लोगों में से किस किस को इंग्लिश आती है कमेंट में लाजमी बताइएगा। इतनी वीडियो तुम करते तो